Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Asna Collection. 100% original Pakistani dresses. Latest new catalog, Pakistani Readymade Collection. Pakistani Stitch Collection Aysel Volume 2 Readymade Pakistani Organza Partywear Suit by Tawakkal Fabric. 3-piece ready-to-wear collection by Tawakkal Fabric. Attractive and elegant heavy embroidered organza collection. AYSIL Embroidered Organza Partywear Suit. 5 design. Fabric detail. Embroidered and embellished stitch organza shirt. Embroidered fancy dupattas. Dyed trouser. Very beautiful designer dresses. Limited stock. Ready to dispatch. Shipping all over India. Please like, share my video, subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for upcoming notification. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, bye. Take care. Follow on Instagram, Asna Collection.